Today we're making a perpetual calendar. Part of it has been started. The wheels, here it is right here. And we're about to do the other part which holds it together. So right now we're about to mix. We're about to do the mix, which will be 50-50 mix of high performance clear epoxy resin. We're going to put in part A first. Up to, this is a 100 milliliter cup. We're going to do 50 with part A, and then we're going to do 50 with part B. And we're about at 50 with part A. Let's get 50 of part B in, and then I'm going to go get me some gloves so that I don't get all messy with this resin. Let's just double check. There's that. Let's watch him pouring the other 50%. Right up to the 100 milliliter line. And that's it. Perfect. Okay. Here's my spoon. Let me get my gloves. I'm back with the gloves on. Let's get to mixing. We gotta mix this for about 3 minutes. Kind of slow. We don't want to make too many bubbles in this. I'm just pulling the part A from the bottom because it is the thicker of the two solutions. To get this mixed thoroughly. And we're getting there. We are getting there. Mix for 3 to 5 minutes. I will speed this up during the editing process. I can take a good look at it myself. I just want to remind everyone, if you like what you're seeing, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's put this in this cup. It's a little piece of something. And I think we are fully mixed with a few minimal bubbles, but some micro bubbles which will dissipate as the resin heats up. Now we're going to mix our color in, and we have olive shimmer, which is a mica. We'll see how much we need of that. And we're going to use some alcohol ink lime green. A few drops of that. Let's mix. Get the color in here. mixing it thoroughly to get that color in there. Looks a bit clear. So I think I'll drop a little bit more mica in there. Give it a little more solid color. And if you're wondering what's on the table, these are all the different things that I work with in my creations. It's lapis lazuli. This is another lapis lazuli. This is rainbow quartz. Here's some obsidian. I use crystals. I use metals, precious and semi-precious metals. I use glitter. I use rocks. I use shells. I use so many different things to make a specific creation and to make it unique to whatever it's going to be gifted to, and hopefully it'll be special to them. That is my goal. Now I want to add a bit of, I want to add some glow in the dark mica to this as well. Each piece is a unique creation. Is a unique creation to whoever it goes to. Let's try to get that glow in the dark resin mixed in really good. Yeah. Come on, break up. I almost forgot to add this, but I'm glad I didn't. Since I started talking about what I add to my creations, made me remember. I think we're ready for a pour. Don't want to over pour the molds. I don't want it to spread over the sides, nor do I want it to just get up to the top of these little areas which are creating little openings for the perpetual calendar numbers and moon phases to be seen through.